day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here our KOSPET Tank M3 Smartwatch. It is the last rugged outdoor smartwatch that we are going to review for the KOSPET Tank series. As you can see here, it is the much simpler version of the Tank M3 Ultra. So we have here again the KOSPET Tank M3 Smartwatch. Similar to other versions of the Tank series, the M3 and the T3, or the M series and the T series, this wearable is also a durable outdoor rugged smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have some different features here. So it promotes or boasts these features like certified IP69K and 580M rating, military grade, drop tested, and Gorilla Glass. So we are going to explore the feature of this wearable, the design, as well as the specs. So if you have any questions regarding the KOSPET Tank M3, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Alright, let's explore the KOSPET Tank M3 Smartwatch. So we are going to check on the specs, the design, and of course, additional features for the KOSPET Tank M3 Smartwatch. As you can see here, it is a rugged smartwatch with 15 military grade test. We have here, okay, a preview of its features before we unbox the wearable. We have here 15 US military 810H certification, full metal body, I think it is stainless steel, and a combination of zinc alloy. Corning Gorilla Glass screen, 1.96 inch high definition AMOLED screen, 580M waterproof, 170 plus sports mode, smart recognition of 6 sports movement. And as you can see here, so these are the 15 tests for the KOSPET Tank M3 to test its durability. So we have here some rain test, solar radiation test, shock test, sand and dust test. We also have here vibration test, and we also have here a drop test, temperature shock test. So it's a pretty durable wearable with a quality warranty and at the same time certified IP69K waterproof rated, 50 meters waterproof. We have here some descriptions here. We also have a Bluetooth calling, and it's one of the few outdoor rugged smartwatch with a AMOLED screen display. For the specifications, we have it here. 1.96 inch AMOLED 410 by 502 pixel resolution, 480 mAh. We have heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitor, sleep monitor, and 130 plus sports mode. And it is using the KOSPET Fit, available on App Store and Google Play. Okay, so that's it for the design and features of the box. So let's have the unboxing of this wearable. So let's remove the plastic here. If you want to check other models for the KOSPET Tank series, we have some videos already uploaded. You can check the KOSPET Tank. It's the popular model, the KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra. Okay, let's remove the plastic here. Anyway, beautiful packaging from KOSPET, as you can see here. So let's remove the sticker. And let's check out the contents of the KOSPET Tank M3 Smartwatch. So we have here the KOSPET tank. So we have the silver color, I think. Military Standard Certification 810H certified. Let's remove the smartwatch here. Wow, nice color here. Beautiful looking design. Premium look for the KOSPET Tank M3. Okay, we have at least 2 physical buttons here on the left side. And we also have here the selection button and a back button. We have at least 4 physical buttons. I'm impressed with the look here. You can really feel the premium body frame here, premium design. Then next, we have the charging cable. We have the flexible strap here, sporty strap, and we have the screen protector and the user manual. Again, here are the contents of the KOSPET Tank M3 Smartwatch. So we have the smartwatch, charging cradle, sporty strap here, silicone strap with the stainless steel buckle. We have the user manual, and we have some tempered glass here. So for the design, as you can see here, it really looks premium. So let's attach this one. As you can see, very easy to attach. 22mm with a quick release pin for easy attachment. Going to pull this one. Okay, just pull this one and let's see. Oops. Okay, successfully attached. The other one. Okay, you heard the click. So we have here the connector for the power. This is metal, this one is PC material. We have the selection button here, back. It also serves as a power on and off. We have the tank name here, okay, the trademark tank, the logo of KOSPET. We have up and down button on this side. So far it looks beautiful here. It really looks premium. Okay, one of the best looking outdoor smartwatch right now in the market. Okay, let's clear the place here. I like the design of the KOSPET Tank M3. Again, for the features, so we have here 1.96-inch AMOLED with always on display, 580mm waterproof, IP69 dye proof water resistant body frame. So let's check out the screen display of the KOSPET Tank M3. Hopefully there's still a battery left. As you can see here, we have a logo. Select a language. Let's speak English here. English, and we have the QR code. So to be able to use this wearable, we have to pair it with the support app. Okay, I will just pair it. Okay, just a moment, and let's see the UI and the have a quick view or review of its features. Okay, so we have successfully paired the KOSPET Tank M3 with its support app, the KOSPET Fit. So let's have a preview of its features here. the UI of the wearable. Okay, so this is the default watch face here. We have a digital and analog style. On top, we have the settings here, or several options for its features. On the bottom part, we have the cards, different main features that is available on the KOSPET Tank M3. On the right side, we have the main menu, and on the left side, we have the notifications. Again, we have here the selection button and back button. You can also set the back button here, the bottom key. And we have the up and down button. For example, you can use this one to go down, to go up. Okay, so if you are having a hard time with a screen display, especially if you are outdoor and you are using gloves, you can use the physical button here to navigate on the different menus and features of the KOSPET Tank M3. Again, this is the AMOLED screen display, 1.96-inch AMOLED screen display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. Okay, before we end, let's have again a closer look at the design of the KOSPET Tank M3 Smartwatch. Beautiful looking outdoor rugged smartwatch with an affordable price, only from KOSPET. Bye!